you, kids.
Hey kids, ready to play a game? It's time to guess that body part. Let's see how many you can get right. I help you hear every sound, from a whisper to a bark, loud or soft all around. Can you guess what I am? Ears. That's right, your ears help you listen. I sit in the middle of your face. I help you smell cookies and every good taste. Who am I? It's your nose. Beep, beep. I come in a pair. I help you look and stare. Open wide. What do you see? Eyes. Peek-a-boo. I walk. I run. I help you dance. Try to catch me if you get the chance. Feet. Stomp, stomp. I help you jump and bend down low. Try to touch your toes. Give it a go. Knees. I'm not too big, but strong I can be. I bend your arms. Can you point like me? Elbows. I sit on the sides between neck and chest. Roll me back and stand your best. Shoulders. I smile. I laugh. I help you speak. I open wide when you eat all week. Guess who? Mouth. Say cheese. I can wave. I can clap. I give high fives. Just like that. Who am I? Hands. Great job, friends. You know your body parts so well. See you next time for more fun games. Bye-bye.